In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect or remove Stripe from your AWeber account. This is a straightforward process that will help you manage your integrations more effectively, particularly if you no longer need to keep Stripe linked with your email marketing efforts or if you're switching to a different service. First things first, you'll want to log into your AWeber account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Head over to the AWeber site and enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be at the main dashboard. Now from this dashboard, look for the main menu on the left side of the screen. You should see a variety of options here. In the main menu, focus on finding the Integrations option. Click on Integrations, and this is where you'll handle all your third-party connections. After clicking, you should see a list of all the currently connected integrations that AWeber is utilizing for your account. Take a close look, and under the Connected Integrations section, find Stripe. Sometimes it might be listed as Stripe for landing pages. Either way, this is what you need to locate. After you have identified the Stripe integration, click on its name or the small settings icon next to it to access its individual options. Once you're in that particular Stripe section, you'll see an option to disconnect integration. Click on this option to begin the process of removal. At this point, it's quite normal to see a prompt that asks for confirmation. This is a final step to ensure that you really want to disconnect Stripe from AWeber. Evaluate your decision before moving forward, because disconnecting will stop any ongoing processes or automations you have set up through Stripe. Now go ahead and confirm the disconnection. Once you do this, your Stripe integration will be successfully removed from your AWeber account. It's as simple as that. In summary, managing your integrations effectively can save you time and ensure that your marketing processes run smoothly. Disconnecting services you no longer use helps to maintain a clutter-free and efficient workspace. If in the future you need to reconnect Stripe or any other service, you can do so by following the usual integration steps. Feel free to revisit the integration section if you want to manage other connected services or add new ones. That's it for today's guide on how to disconnect Stripe from AWeber. Thank you for joining us, and I hope this has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to give AWeber's support team a shout, as they're always ready to help.